Hello friends, welcome to VSP Unity. As we have told you already, in association with the VSP Unity, your Vishwan Computer is providing the important questions on cyber security. This is the subject of BCom final year and it is optional. You people can select a cyber security or multimedia. So if you have selected cyber security, these are the important questions. We won't tell you that you people will be getting um, out of marks if you are reading all these questions, but definitely if you are going through these questions, you people can attempt maximum question in your question paper. Let's get into the topic. Important question for your unit 1 is, the first question is, what is system administrator? Explain roles and responsibilities of system administrator. You might have understood the question, so that I can explain you. Who is the system administrator? You should explain, and the responsibilities of the system administration, giving the permission and accessing them, who to access, whom to give the permission. All these things will be taken care by your system administration, and system administration definition you should write for this particular question. I hope you people have understood this. Let's go for next question. The next question is, explain the different cyber security safeguards. How you people will take the safeguards for your cyber security. That is what you should explain for this particular question. And if there is any doubt, if you are not getting any question, just comment us. Definitely we will try to make a video on it. Okay. Third question, explain various cyber threats. And fourth question is, explain software vulnerability. Okay. And fifth question is weak authentication. What do you mean by authentication and what is the weak authentication? You people might have seen a lot of times while your people are providing the security, that is password. Your password is weak or strengthened, that it will be showing you people in the green color and red color. That is what you need to explain. What is a weak authentication, what is a strong authentication. I hope you people can do. If not, just mention us in the comments. Okay. And the next question is, explain security audit. How you people will audit the security of the system, that you should go through it. Okay. And the next question is, explain biometric authentication. What do you mean by biometric authentication? That you should explain in your own words. If you know that, if you have seen outside, that also you people can write, but it is very easy if you have understood the topic. And explain the firewalls. Next question is, explain the firewalls. What is firewall? You need to explain. How it protects our system, that you should explain in this particular question. And the last one is, what do you mean by ethical hacking? That you need to briefly explain what is ethical hacking and how it restrict, how it will be dangerous, and what are the advantages and disadvantages if you're learning them. Just you need to explain them all. Okay. I hope unit 1 questions are clear to you people. Let's go to the next unit without wasting the time. It will become lengthy if not. See, it is a short video in order to explain you people what are the important questions of your cyber security. If you are not getting any question, if you are not understanding any answer, just comment us so that we people will try to make the video. Now see, the next question from unit 1 is, what is web services? Explain the web services. What are the web services that it will provide? Okay. And the next question is, explain simple object access protocol. Simple object access protocol. This is very important question. You may expect web services and simple object access protocol you may expect. Okay. And different security considerations for web services. What the security issues you people will consider when you are giving the web services, that you people should explain for this question. And the next question is, what is identity access management? How do we access the things, and what are the management that you people will be doing in order to access the content in the web services, that you should explain. And the next question is, explain security mechanism implemented on HTTP applications and services. Lot of times you people might have seen this word HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. What is the mechanism behind this HTTP application, that you need to explain, and what are the services that it will provide, that you need to write. Okay. And the next question is, explain access control and access control list. What do you need to explain as access control and access control list. You should explain both of them. Okay, what are the list you should explain, and what is access control, that you need to explain for this question. Okay, and the next question that you are having in a unit 2 is explain OWASP top 10 security risk. What are the risks that are associated with the security that you need to explain onto it. Okay, and explain vulnerability of assessment. This can come from 4 marks or else a long question, just you need to go through it. Okay, explain challenges of web services. If you are providing the web services, what are the challenges that you people will face uh, in the internet, that you need to explain on it. Okay, ఐ హోప్ అందరికీ అర్థమవుతుందండి. మీరు ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చదివితే మీకు 10 వస్తాయి, లేకపోతే బైకి బై వస్తాయని కాదు. మీరు అట్లీస్ట్ అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చదివితే. ఓకే, రైట్, లెట్ మీ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ యూనిట్, యూనిట్ 3. See, in a unit 3, you people are having simple questions like intrusions and intruders. Okay, explain intrusion and intruders. What is that you should explain. And next question is what is IDS, explain the benefits and challenges of IDS. And the next question is what is malware, and explain various malware programs. Okay, malware, you people might have heard a lot of times that simple programs will come along with the downloaded files that will corrupt our files. That is nothing but the malware. How you people will protect them, and what are the malware programs are, that you need to explain in this. And explain network based IDS. Next question. And explain network based intrusions and prevention systems and host based intrusion prevention system. This, they may ask you to write the differences, as well as they may get individual questions also. Just go through it. Okay, and the next question is explain security information management. Okay, these are the 6 questions that you could expect from unit 3. Okay, and the next unit, unit 4 is consisting cryptography. How you people will make safe your data, or else how you people will send the data in a safest manner. That is nothing but the cryptography is. You people might have heard the terms like encryption, decryption, and cryptography. Different kind of cryptographies will be there that you should read. And explain message authentication. How do you authenticate your message, that you need to explain. And the next question is digital signatures. What are the digital signatures, how it is helpful for authentication, that you need to write. And explain firewalls. In the first unit we have learned the basic definition of firewalls. In this unit we will be having different kind of firewalls that you need to write. Explain working mechanism of PGP, that you need to write in the exam. And explain cryptography algorithms used in SEM-I that you need to learn. See, in this we will be having algorithms that you need to be used. Just it is the rules and regulations that you need to modify, or else you need to learn it from the textbook. There is no alternate that you people will be writing on your own. There will be an algorithm, just you need to understand and you need to put it in the examination. Okay, and explain IPsec, that is IP security, I can say. IP, you know already, internet protocol, that you people need to explain on your own. And the last question that you people will be having for the unit 4 is explain SSL architecture. You need to explain. You'll be having a picture that you need to learn, and you need to explain that architecture by the help of diagram, so that you people will be getting the full marks. Okay, and the next last unit is unit 5, explain cyber security regulation. What are the rules and regulations that we people will follow in the cyber security. And explain international laws that you need to follow. Okay, and what is Indian cyberspace, and explain cyber laws in India. See, it is international laws and it is Indian laws. Every country will be having their own rules and regulations to use the security in the web, so that you need to learn. And you people will be having few laws that are need to be known by you people. Okay, just see them once. Okay, what are the main objectives of National Cyber Security Policy 2013? They may ask you people because it is a recent policy that has been implemented. So just go through it. Explain cyber forensics, what they will do, and cyber security standards. See, these may come for 4 marks, or else it may come for long marks. In a combination, they will ask explain the below, like that they will be giving you in the question paper. Just go through it. Okay. Explain scrutinizing and examining email messages. What kind of mails you people will be getting, that will be scrutinized. How you people will do that, that you should explain. And the next question is, explain the steps for validating email header. This is the next question. Okay. And the last question for this video is, how investigation can be controlled. These all this subject, cyber security subject, is dealing with the security that need to be provided while you people are using www or also web services, I can say, when you are in an internet. So when you are sharing some data, when you are using some services, how you people will make the security, that it will talk about. If you are getting all the answers, that's okay. If you are not getting any answers, just comment us, so that we people will make a video onto it. సో మీరు ఇది చదివితే అన్నీ వస్తాయని కాదండి, ఖచ్చితంగా ఇవి చదివితే మీరు అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేసి రాగలుగుతారు. సో ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డ్రాగ్ ద వీడియో. ఇట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ 10 minutes వీడియో. సో అన్నీ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి మంచిగా రాస్తారని మేము అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ వీడియో.